All right, hi guys, and welcome to the Spain Gibraltar channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to get up to this location in Gibraltar by walking from Casemates Square up the stairs through the neighborhood to the entrance to the Moorish Castle. Follow me from Casemates Square all the way up to this location, which is Princess Caroline's Battery. Once you're at this location, you can either go to the Great Siege Tunnels or you can continue up to the top of the rock to the restaurant and the viewing platform. You'll start out at Casemates Square. You'll see the Burger King over in the corner, and you'll want to take that route down to Main Street. You will see different guided tour options along the way, so be sure to check with those guides if you'd like the van tour up to the top of the Rock of Gibraltar and back again. This is the way that we'll be taking up. It looks pretty short on the map, but I guarantee you that the trek is quite exhausting. It is a pretty steep climb the way up, but it's definitely a lot of fun. Once you get to this point, you can take a left here and head up Engineer Lane. I like going this way, however, you can continue down Main Street and take a left a few blocks ahead. As you head down Engineer Lane, you're going to run into this awesome boutique bakery called Piece of Cake. I highly recommend stopping here and grabbing one of their baked goods. It's amazing. As you continue down this road, you'll get to this point here, and we'll turn left and head up the stairs. Okay guys, get ready because this is the part where it gets really difficult. We've got a lot of stairs to go up and they're really steep. So if you're ready for a workout, I highly recommend taking this walk up to the Gibraltar Nature Reserve. Let's go. Walking up this way gives you a great opportunity to see inside this Gibraltar neighborhood and explore the architecture of these houses that have been built into the side of the Rock of Gibraltar. At about halfway up, you'll start to see the gorgeous views behind you. Keep heading up and you'll get to this set of stairs where there's this really cool old tree. Some of the houses along the way are painted really cool, like this one that has an octopus on it. As you make your way up, you might run into a kitty or two, and be sure to observe the lush, beautiful potted plants that a lot of people have along this route. Alright, so that's the end of the steps for now. We're up on Willis Road, which this is the bus stop for this location. The number 1 bus leaves from Casemates Square and comes up to this point. If you do take the bus from here, you would still have to walk up the rest of the way to the Moorish Castle. And now this is the ticket office and the entrance to the Gibraltar Reserve, the Upper Rock. Prices as of 2022 are £16 for adults and £10 for children, and please be aware that these locations only accept cards. The winter and summer have varying schedules, most of the time opening between 9 and 9:30 and closing in the winter at 6:15 and in the summertime at 7:15, so plan your walk up accordingly. The entrance fee gets you access to the Moorish Castle. And you have to go inside because this castle began to be built in the 8th century. After that, continue your way up where you'll see the World War II tunnels. Check out the exposition, Gibraltar, a City Under Siege. Continue on your way up past Princess Caroline's Batteries. In this location, there's actually bathrooms. And you can keep going up to the Great Siege Tunnels. Once you go up this road to the Great Siege Tunnels, you will have exceptional views overlooking the airport, Gibraltar, and La Linea, Spain. At this point, you're about 800 feet above sea level. All right, everybody, thanks for joining the Spain Gibraltar channel on this walk up the Rock of Gibraltar via the Moorish Castle. If you're planning on doing the hike up the steps or up to this side of the rock by foot, definitely bring some snacks, bring some water. There's not any services once you get up to the top unless you're all the way up at the restaurant. Overall, it's a very enjoyable hike if you're interested in the kind of extreme climb. So thanks for joining the Spain Gibraltar channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. And of course, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks so much and have a great day.